Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by including a responsible adult. Tell a parent you want to use voice chat and explain why. Once they agree, review the Roblox privacy and communication settings together so they understand limits and safety. Make clear, you should not change birthday information or try to trick verification systems. Instead, ask the adult to set up supervised voice options. For example, a parent-managed chat session or approved external voice channel, so you can practice safe voice communication. Next, work with the adult to set up a supervised voice space outside Roblox, where they can control invites and moderation. Once done, the parent creates a private server or a group call, restricts access to known friends only, and enables safety features like mute, slow mode, and logging. Make sure to agree on simple rules: no sharing personal info, no joining unknown links, and practice using mute and leave. This keeps voice interaction possible, while following platform age rules and keeping you safe. Finally, establish routines. Only use supervised voice sessions when the parent is present or reviewing logs, and routinely practice safety actions. Mute, block, and report, so you react fast if something goes wrong. Make sure the adult tests microphone permissions together, checks privacy filters, and confirms no third-party apps are circumventing settings. If audio stops working, ask the adult to check microphone permissions, parental control blocks, and app updates. If problems persist, pause voice sessions until an adult fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.